A nurse at the Lakeshore Hospital has been suspended for 5 months. A patient died on his watch. The nurse has pleaded guilty to a disciplinary charge of negligence. Angela MacKenzie reports.
In July of 2022, an 81-year-old man died at the Lakeshore General Hospital ER while waiting to be transferred to the Royal Victoria Hospital for heart surgery. In a written ruling by the Quebec Order of Nurses Disciplinary Council, the nurse who was attending to him at the time, Kishore Baijunath, had been suspended for 5 months after pleading guilty to a disciplinary charge of negligence for failing to provide adequate care.
And every step of the way, there have been errors that were made.
The man's death was one of 6 Montreal Gazette reporter Aaron Durfel brought to light in an investigative series into Lakeshore's ER last year.
Well, there have been cases where nurses have been suspended for as many as 5 months, but this is relatively rare, and what it shows is just it underscores the severity of what had happened.
The ruling notes the man complained of pain in his chest, arms, and jaw, but was given Tylenol. He made numerous panicked calls to family members, but the nurse indicated in his notes he was calm and did not have chest pains or palpitations. The nurse did not inform the doctor that the patient was taking nitroglycerin. Patients' rights advocate Paul Brunet says when the nurse is reinstated, he should be given better training, and says all hospitals in Quebec need to do better.
We need more efficiency. We need a lot of better things in terms of coordination and better accountability on the part of managers.
Durfel's reporting on the Lakeshore prompted Quebec's health ministry to open an investigation. He says staff there are under tremendous pressure.
I think this points to systemic negligence in that ER, which, as we know, is chronically overcrowded. There's a high turnover of staff. There's improper training, or there had been. Now they're beginning to address these issues, and so it's in this context that you're going to get these deaths that could have been prevented.
The ruling also indicates the nurse feels remorse and apologizes to the man's family. The nurses' union says it will not be responding to the ruling today. Angela MacKenzie, CTV News.